Hello everyone, it's Donnie from Diamond Painting by Donnie, and I have an unboxing to do. I purposely did not look at my tracking information that kept notifying me from AliExpress that my package has arrived, because I want to be surprised as to which one it is. So let's get started on it. Here is the package. It came today. It is pretty squished, and it looks like it's been through the ringer. It is definitely not in the shape of a box. Yeah, so let's see what we have. I've been ordering from different companies lately, so I can't guess by the box to who it is. And I don't even remember when I see a box that I've seen before. So this is one that has the... I should remember, because I remember making a statement about... Well, this says new concept. It's got... It looks like Russian. Diamond painting, private custom. But this is... I don't know if it's a custom or not, but it's the one that has the shiny diamond, smooth cutting, strong glue, 447 DMC fashion color. Wake up your wall. Private custom. So much for the box. Let's see what we got inside. I think it might be easy QSD. Oh, we got the Huacan scissors. Scissors. Tweezers. This is the typical Huacan toolkit right there. So I believe this is... This might be it right here. Yeah, I think I have it on the right page. Here are my drills. These look like the colors. Yep, that's what it is. This is a custom. It is a custom, so the box was right. It's a custom. You can kind of see the picture here, but let's give you a little better. There's 50 colors. Here is a QR code. Let me open it, because the QR code it'll be a lot easier if you want to use that once I... Okay. Now this was sent to me at a drastically reduced price so that I could review this company's customs. Like I said, I have never received a custom from any other company before other than Huacan. So this is from EverShine official store. I did do a review on them on my masquerade picture if you want to look back. Here's a link to that video. This diamond painting is a 50 by 60, and it is normally $17.39 for 50 by 60. I ordered this on August 22nd. It was shipped August 26th, and I received it September 6th. So, 15 days is how long it took to get here. And it's a full square. And this is what it's going to look like. You know how I love dragons and I love blue and purple. So this has been on my wish list for custom for quite a long time. So I finally got it made. Now let's take a look at this canvas. The box was squished. So even though this is rolled around a foam roller, it got a bit flattened. Let's see how it affected the canvas. Got the wrapper around it. It's got the tape on it. And here we go. So this would be the QR code for EverShine Custom. I will also put the link down below for those of you who don't use QR codes. If you do use QR codes, what you can do is just pause the video here and give this a scan. So this has 5 sections to it. 50 by 60. Now, the custom I'm doing right now is a 50 by 70, so this will be almost as big. I did learn that these things are laid by hand. The machine does not lay these strips down. There's the EverShine logo at the top. So this is human error, or humans being humans, because it's really hard to get these up next to each other. The sticky is not exposed, but you can see there's a little crack there, so that's not going to hurt anything if, well, that just means that there's no adhesive in that spot, because like I said, these are laid by hand. So if you see cracks like this when it comes in, that means there's not going to be any adhesive in that spot, which is not going to matter because that's not even, you know, a full millimeter. So let's look at the canvas. That's not good. I went to pull it back and it ripped right there. See if I can get it up without. Let me get my tweezers. No idea how it ripped. Such a weird. All right, there we go. Oh, I see why. This is what happened. The adhesive from this strip down here is on top of this strip here. See, it's kind of double layered right there. Show you the canvas. You can see right where that strip is. Let's see if I can find the strip for you. Yeah, right there. I don't think it's going to have any effect. I mean, I'm trying to see where it was. Right in there. I don't know if you can see it, how it's got a double layer of adhesive in that spot. I can't really see it through that, but I can see it down here. So I just probably need to just rub something over it to make sure it stays down and it doesn't. Oh, these are very beautiful colors. The canvas is very shiny and smooth. Let's see if I can pull more back here. That's one thing that they have to watch out for when they're placing these, because they can get really careless sometimes, and because it happened here too. There were spots that were not connected and some spots that were over connected, like right here. This one and that strip there. That's why I'm pulling all of these off in case it's happening all the way down. Let's see. I just love, I mean, because this, I call this the dragon fairy, or fairy dragon, because these wings look like fairy wings. So this half of it looks like it's a fairy. And then once I close it up and open the other half, it'll look like a dragon, because it's both. And I just love this picture. Yeah, but there's no bubbles. I mean, you can definitely see where the strips changed over on this one. So, as long as, you know, there's adhesive, I mean, it's good and sticky in those spots, so it should be fine. So Tesslyn started kindergarten yesterday. She didn't have school today because it's a staggered start week. Half of the kindergartners go on Tuesday and then Thursday, and the other half goes Wednesday and Friday. And then they determine which class they'll be in at the end of the week. And we'll get notified somehow of that. I don't know what I'm going to do about this because I really don't want to put this back down. I'll just put it down and remember that it's there. Because if I pulled that piece off, then oh, it's gonna do it anyway. Okay. Let's check this one. We'll start at the bottom. So she was upset when I picked her up yesterday because she wanted to take the bus. And I had arranged it so that I'm picking her up and dropping her off this week, the 2 days, and then after that she'll take the bus. But she was in tears. But she was also really tired. She just passed out after about an hour after she got home. Yep, this side's doing it too. It just needs to be laid down. Beautiful colors. Man, you can see the dragon. I know it's upside down, but you can see it. And there we go. That's the whole left side of it. Beautiful. Alright. Let's get this good and flat. I can't put any more paintings, any more diamond paintings into my portfolio. It's just getting too heavy and it's too hard, especially when I have big ones, to stick them underneath to get them arranged. They just won't. It pulls on them when I try to stick them underneath. So I'm using the hangers the slacks hangers so that there's you can hold, there's 6 clips, 6 double clips and 6 layers, and I have 5 hangers, but you can fit multiple paintings on even one set of clips. The double clips, I've got like 3 or 4 on just one clip set. So 50 by 60 is a little large. I mean, it's not too large to me, but it's not my ideal size. 40 by 50, I think, or yeah, that's what I was saying. 40 by 50, I think, is the best size diamond painting for me. There. Okay, well, this is good and flat. I will hang it so it will flatten more. And take a look at these drills. Oh, I don't have a inventory sheet, but this does have the number on it, on this sticker right here, and it says that's the number of the canvas, and then it's a 50 by 60 centimeters, 50 colors, square full. So I'm going to pause this and go make a copy of the key, and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. So this is my blue fairy dragon. And I actually barely got some of the numbers cut off on the edge, but that's just the quantity. I'll just assume the quantity is 9 on all of them. And let's see. Okay. 3 10s. Wow, look at that. You can see what I'm seeing at the very top. You got diamond dust. Diamond dust going on there. So it looks like the ones with the most, oh, it's purples. Yay! Lots of purples in big amounts. So 208 and 333 have the biggest. See, 208 has 5,300 and something. They gave me 6,500. And then 12, 4,176. And they gave me 5,136. See, is there any bigger? The colors in this are pretty spread out, I have to say. There's not one in particular that's overpowering everything else here. So the 310s, there are almost 4,000, but there's it says 3,858, but they put in 4,745. Wow, that's being very generous. Almost 900 extras. Let's see, another big bag. 209. 3,051. And they've got 3,752. Here's another largish one. Number 50, 3865. Yep. There's another one where they gave an extra 900. Here's another big bag. 210. I love these purples. All these two in the 200 block. Well, 333 is really pretty. 550 is another one. Yep. Oops. I didn't do 210 yet. There's another amethyst color I really love. Okay. 7 is 210. 3332. Yep. 2,700. 2,550. 1288, 15, 41, 37, 47, And 196, they gave 241. Okay, so number 1 is 153. It says I need 73, and they put 89 in here. Yeah, that's plenty. 40, 37, 43. 875 and 1076. Okay. 27 is 819, 416, 511. 47, 38, 38, 548, 674. Number 8 is 211, 2152, 2646. Another purple. 11 is 327, 1089, 1339. Another purple. 46 is 3837, 1943, and 2389. Now we've got the 939s. There's 3,177 in this bag. Number 33. 2583. Great. Let's pick a blue. 36 is 996. 1390 and 1709. And then there's this greenish white. 3756. Number 15 is 340. Some more blues. I really can't wait to work on this one. I just wish I could actually have more time to work on them. 823. Number 45 is 3766. They're stuck together. 13 is 334. And I'm not saying it out loud, but I am checking to make sure that the numbers over here are lower than the numbers here. 798 is 819 is 517. I am checking them because some of them haven't been closed, sealed all the way. 18 is 415. 14 is 336. That one too, jeez. Now 16 is 413. Number 2, 154. $29 is 824. $39 is 3727. 37, 3041. 35, 963. 44 is 3765. 17 is 414. 24 is 796. 34 is 959. I've just decided to go ahead and do the inventory on camera, and for those that don't want to watch the inventory part, more than happy to be more than acceptable for you to go ahead and just fast forward this part. But if you fast forward these parts, you probably aren't hearing this message. So, okay, 38 is 3325. Number 49 is 38. I love that color, 3844. Look at that. Beautiful. $21 is 552. And 26 is 807. 10 is 318. 43 is $37.60. Almost done. 23 is $7.92. Number 4 is $160. $32 is $9.34. $30 is $8.25. $31 is $8.26. $22 is $7.62. And last but certainly not least, this beautiful blue here. Number 48, it's $38.43. There we have it. I have a mark next to every single one of them. They're all here. So there you go, folks. That's EverShine official store. Link is down below, and I also showed you the QR code if you are a QR code type of person. $17.59 for a 50 by 60, 50 color, full square diamond painting that looks like this. So I hope you liked this video, my first impressions of this canvas and drills and company. And please, if you would give me a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. I'm not sure why people don't give a thumbs up, but it really helps me out a lot. So if you could make that, just take that quick second and just click the thumbs up, I'll give you a thumbs up or two. So that's it for now, and be on the lookout for a special video that I will be putting out here pretty soon. It may answer a lot of questions for you. So until next time, I will see you on the flip, doing diamond paintings with you right there in your heart, with you, because you'll be in mine. I'll be thinking about you while I'm doing it. So have a good evening, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.